Welcome to this incredible home located here in Chico, California. Now, on this property, there's a main home with over 2,400 square feet of living space, a 600 square foot ADU, sparkling pool, and so much more. I can't wait to show you inside. Hi, my name is Derek Sanderson with eXp Realty, coming at you from 629 Tandy Court here in Chico, California. Let's take a look inside. Now, one of my favorite features of this home is this incredible family room. It has so much natural light, custom hardwood floors, and check out this fireplace. And upstairs, you will find 2 additional bedrooms with a full bath, which is fantastic because it's separated from the rest of the house. One of the exciting spaces in the main house is this bonus room right here. You could use it from anything from a home office, a homeschool room, an art studio, a study. Honestly, whatever you can imagine, you probably can achieve it in this space. And speaking about additional space, this property offers you a shop and plenty of storage. And let me show you inside the ADU. And where in Chico can you find a home sitting on an acre of land that offers this space of endless opportunities? So if you would like to set up a private tour to see this gem in Chico, please feel free to reach out to me here at the information below.